I think this is the best flight I've ever taken. Well, it's 7 a.m. and the journey starts right here. And wherever you are in Paris, a car will come to pick you up. The luxury starts immediately with Air France La Première. There's nothing quite like arriving at an airport at sunrise, golden hour, at a private La Première first class entrance after having been delivered here by a Porsche. It is just the way to fly. So we've made it to the private little lounge within the La Première world where we're gonna complete check-in formalities. I'm gonna hand over my passport to this lovely gentleman. And I've even been offered a drink. Can I get like a hot water and lemon?
Yes, of course.
You actually don't have to pay for this. If it's available, you can have it if you pre-booked. They're gonna complete the immigration formalities. That's just how it is when you arrive and you're flying La Première. I am inside one of the private lounges. This one's called Montmartre. This space is within the La Première lounge, a cocoon within a cocoon. And you're gonna get a living room, an outdoor terrace area, a bathroom, and a bedroom in here with a full-on double bed. I mean, is this normal? In a lounge? Might not fly today. I'm just gonna stay here. Now, while it's very relaxing out here in my private lounge, I am gonna have to try out the Sicily spa because you get a free spa treatment with La Première and we gotta just go do it. So it's time to say goodbye to this gorgeous lounge and take another car transfer, but this time, this car is gonna take me to the very door of the plane. I really could get used to this. Wow! Now, this is the only way I ever want to board a plane again. Here she is, the 777-300ER, ready to go to New York with that brand new La Première cabin. What a day to fly. Bonjour, hello, how are you? Hello. Well, 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 here we are on board La Première, my seat 1A, or should I say suite. I am immediately blown away. This cabin is arranged in a 1-2-1 configuration. There's just one row, so only 4 seats in this whole first class cabin. Now, this is the first time this product is flying. It's new, it's fresh, and you can smell that newness. And my gosh, when you walk on board, do you feel that sense of calm, softness, and French gorgeousness? Each suite spans 38 square feet. It's actually 25% bigger than the previous La Première suite. The suite comes complete with a large and comfortable armchair and this huge chaise longue. Of course, the suite converts into a fully flat, very comfortable bed, and we're definitely going to check that out later. To provide a sense of airiness, there are no overhead bins here. There's a large storage bin right down to the right-hand side, which you can pull out and put your roller bag in. And there are other storage options to put your bits and pieces, including a shoebox. There are 2 huge 4K screens on either side, so it doesn't matter which side of the cabin you're sitting on, and a very large tray table that pulls out from the side of the seat. This snazzy iPad can live on either side of the cabin. You can control the seat, the bed, the lighting, the windows. And talking about the windows, I have 5 windows just for me. There is no other cabin in the sky that gives you all that light and those views. It's hard to describe unless you're here, but something is just so calming about this cabin. And in part, that comes from the floor-to-ceiling curtains that enclose each cabin. I like this more than a hard door. So waiting for you at your seat are some lovely slippers, this gorgeous soft red blanket, and 2 fluffy cushions. There's a choice of amenity kit on board, a grey one and a red one, but you've got to go red. How cool is this? It slides open and contains the most swanky Sicily products. Well, it's time to kick off with no less than caviar and champagne. Cheers. Proceedings continue with this absolute slab of salmon, beautifully presented. This is the starter. It's delicate, it's fresh, the salmon's lovely. I don't know if I've ever seen a piece of salmon so thick before. Next up is this gorgeous carrot and cumin soup. Now, I love soup on a plane because you can make it delicious. It's easy to heat up. It's like a hug. Okay, I don't know anything about wine, but you know everything about wine.
A bit, yes.
A bit, yes. What are we gonna try with the chicken?
So we're gonna start with the Bourgogne, and if you want something more strong with some colors, you can try with the Vallée du Rhône.
To me, that tastes great, but I have no taste. We're gonna try this confit poulet with a vegetable millefeuille. It looks stunning. Juicy, tasty, gorgeous. Tastes like French. There's something really French about it. And paired with the wine, Now this is rather fabulous. The salad that I've just been delivered is made up of everything that I've chosen. You can choose all the different elements. There's a whole list. I've gone for lettuce, boiled egg, chicken, cheese, mushroom, all sorts of stuff. You make exactly what you want. From the sublime to the ridiculous, dessert is served. This absolute cornucopia of delectable treats, from a selection of beautiful cheeses, ice cream, a pear tart, fruit salad, and the thing which I think looks the best, the chocolate ingot, and that's what I'm gonna go for first. It's even better than it looks. Oh my God, these cheeses are to die for. Oh, finally, the bed is made. There's a mattress topper, a soft duvet, a pillow. There's also these Jacquemus pajamas. Like, who wouldn't want to go to sleep unless it was in French designer sleepwear? Let's change. Look at these. They're so nice. It's bedtime. This is amazing. Well, that leaves just one thing to do, the call bell challenge. Let's see how long this Air France La Première crew take to come. Hello, yeah. Rapids! Thank you. See you later, bye. Well, here we are, New York City, and the one word to describe this experience: special. From the very start, on the ground, that La Première experience is pretty amazing. You're just not going to get that personalized service, the private immigration, the private security, all these things that take you out of the hubbub of the usual flying experience. But on board is where things were particularly special. I particularly loved the chaise longue, being able to hang out there on that big wide seat, curl up, watch a movie. It was just the perfect place to chill out. And when it came to meal time, they brought the best of French, from the French caviar to the gorgeous chicken, the soup, the desserts. Everything I ate was amazing and plentiful, and I loved how they gave me advice on pairing the best wines with the food. One of the best things about this new La Première cabin is how it turns into a big, wide, comfortable bed. With the mattress and the bedding and the pillow, it is just the most gorgeous place to try and catch a few Zeds. Now, this flight was not a normal one. Air France had invited me to come. The other people in the cabin were also media. The CEO was on board. And so while the service was exceptional, of course it was going to be, because all eyes were on these crew. However, I checked out what was going on in the rest of the plane. How were the crew dealing with the other passengers? There were 3 more cabins behind, and I saw consistency, fun, efficiency, and good service throughout. Overall, this was an amazing experience. The one thing I kept saying to the crew was, this flight is not long enough. I think I want to fly to LA, that'd be nice.